Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. While shades are usually used to keep your gardening and landscaping tool neatly hidden away, there is an entire host of various other functions these backyard spaces are able to serve. In this video, you will explore all of the very best garden shed ideas you are able to apply alongside your favorite backyard ideas. Obviously, you can find many sheds that serve their intended purpose. Take a look at these designs and you will know that how you can enhance your potting sheds, from one that is designed to appear like a small schoolhouse to the next which doubles as a kid playhouse. Or perhaps, in case you are feeling influenced by your landscaping ideas, you can develop small storage sheds which function as a small retreat right inside your yard. Whether it is a she shed you are after or perhaps a covered place to host parties, there are ideas in which will match your needs. There are many sheds that can be used as artist studios, craft houses, and on occasions even as a guest suite. You can attach several of these builds in your backyard chicken coop for a room you will certainly not want to leave. After watching this video, you are certain to feel inspired by these innovative garden shed ideas and can be itching to start building as soon as possible. Sheds have grown to be multi-purpose, must-have buildings that are completing with gazebos and pergolas as a new backyard project. Pictures on social media just grab people's dream more. Prior to going any further, do your homework, determine what you want it and exactly why, and whether you are going to build the shed yourself, and work with a pro. Consult any nearby planning department to comply with the instructions and codes. See whether the outdoor sheds will mirror the architectural design of your property. Generally a great idea. Evaluate your finances, material needed, and time it is going to take to finish the project. Because a shed isn't as tall as a standard building, the roof is going to clearly visible. Design a roof with pitch and substance which are feasible and attractive. Common roofing materials include cedar shingles, cedar shakes, fox or real slate, metal, and tile, among others. If you have to do it yourself abilities as well as open time frame, check out the different designs available on the web or even for purchase. Ensure you completely understand the instructions and have the capacity and tools to carry out the job. Some other energy sources for sheds include prefabricated structures you will purchase from a respected business and kits. Some included pre-cut lumber that's delivered to your house. Prior to buying, find out if extra milling, drilling, or cutting is required, together with resources that are needed. Added options include ready-built sheds that are shipped entirely assembled. Find out in case these will have to be painted, sanded, and finished or stained. Already built shed and prefab are an appealing concept, but check out delivery cost. Consider feasibility and logistically how you will deal with the project. A number of sheds are sent by a truck built with a crane. Will the crane be positioned to drive in your property and provide the building without ripping down fences or walls or even plowing over your garden or yard? This is a question that you should answer first. Ambitious recyclers create sheds designs from pre-existing ideas, windows, reclaimed lumbers like doors, and even popular crates. Particularly in sunny weather conditions, it gets us ready and also raring to dust off our shears and spade to get inventive outside. But before we handle the plants and flowers, the backyard garden shed is first on our list to get a revamp. Sometimes the easiest of outhouses are able to function as a lot more than simply a dumping ground for equipments, bike and toys. Paint it up and dress it correctly, and it could be a house office, a playroom, a cozy snug for relaxing, or maybe a gardener's dream potting sheds. Another good thing about redecoration a shed is it a tiny self-contained project that may be finished at weekends. Therefore, in case your plans for an ideal home still appear as a pipe dream, turn your focus on a small amount of heaven in your backyard. She shared ideas. Forget about the man caves. We are going potty for the she shed. Find one more area to keep your tool or maybe pop them in an elegant hamper or perhaps trunk which double as a coffee table. Then change the area in your small personal heaven, separate from the children and the dog and also blare of the TV. In case you are ambitious, you can have a sofa in there, although it may be better than to begin with a brand new storage sheds and build it up across the couch. Wallpapering, overlapping, and even shiplap board is not actually an option, but you might cover an MDF board with cloth or splash of patterns. With the latest push for the contemporary simple and clean, the small home movement is now popular. In its fundamental form, the tiny home is merely a glorified shed. Its shed skeleton with a number of alterations combined with a finished interior. It seems really easy but inviting. Green shed. What about going green? It's a good way to utilize the space and save your living space eco-friendly. For the benefits of our world, we want tons of greenery to help keep our air clean. This can be another way of keeping plenty of it around. Glass roofs are not only in fairy tales, they might really be enjoyable and also have real use these days. Wouldn't our society be eco-friendly if we did much more of this? Room for hobbies. Whether it is a gardening or maybe some other pastime that demands some space, getting your individual private and individual space is fantastic. All that you have to accomplish is alter an easy garden shed or maybe storage shed into everything you want and need. Hobbies are able to include a great deal of spice to life. Therefore, should a shed when made for the goal it's serving much more than four walls. Vinyl sheds on the market are able to add spice to the beauty and life to the private space. A garden shed is able to make terrific add-on to your backyard. Indeed, it is fantastic area to keep garden tools, but it's lot more than that. It's likewise an area to work out your green thumb and try new kinds of various ways of growing your preferred plant and flowers. It's an area to allow your creative juices flow and also design your space even more appealing. Who's saying that an easy storage shed can turn right into a centerpiece inside your floral garden or maybe a potting shed for your veggie garden? With time and creative energies, you are able to transform a transportable shed into a beautiful area in your yard. You are able to also turn a garden shed right into a greenhouse. What a good way to enjoy yourself and escape the challenges of life. In case you possess a green thumb, this may be among those DIY sheds ideas that may be advantageous for you. With a big backyard, you will have to store tools to keep your landscape. Here you will find small shed ideas help you keep things organized. A garden has to be maintained regularly to be able to keep a proper look. When taking care of a back garden, it's essential to remember we are talking about living organisms and each vegetables or flower need specific care. A seasoned gardener knows their tools and also understand that every plant needs. A component of keeping a proper garden is maintaining an organized space for these resources. And let's face it, we cannot lug all our unclean backyard gear in our home. It's simply impractical. An excellent option for this is keeping a shed. Backyard shed could be made in various different sizes and shapes and therefore are functional beyond storage for backyard garden tools. Whenever you have the drive to construct your personal backyard shed, or maybe you would like to purchase one and get it installed, we hope these creative and unique ideas for garden shed will help you out. If you want more design ideas, you can visit our website interiordecordesigns.in, or else you can download our Android app available on Play Store. That's it for this video, and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the next video that is suggested to you. Thank you very much.